right, we're back. Number one question from the last video was, how are the bricks attached to the ICF wall? And pow, with a brick tie. Let's see, can I focus? Boop, just like you would normally. So let me show you what happens. As you go up the wall, remember those, remember the webbing that's built in to the block? There you go. Screw into that. There you go. You just put them in just like you normally would whenever you're doing brick. Great question. Huh. You made it.
Dig. That should give plenty of room right here then.
You'd think so.
Wouldn't you think?
You'd think so.
I'm gonna
But
dig a hole like right here.
okay. Whew. Are you sure you can handle the power?
I don't know. Bottom of your wall yet. I'm gonna keep digging.
You passed that about the time you saw the old line of topsoil.
See how deep your pockets really are. Did we hit bedrock?
We hit gray mushy stuff. Hey, more gravel time. Yeah.
Tripod, step away.
No promises.
No promises.
I was just coming to see if you blew something else up since it's Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
I'll say that for you.
Oh, thanks. James is up there. He's gonna finish welding in some little spots where he's been making the little angle iron barrier. And over here, we have a spiral staircase, a little small one, that goes up the Princess Tower. So I marked in blue and ran the lines and everything for where we're cutting that out. So James will cut that out. And then he's got an angle iron that's welded together. That'll go up there and attach and get tacked in. So when we pour the concrete ceiling, we'll have our rough opening there like we need. Chris came in, saw on the time lapse, spread all this. We've got rain in the forecast for over a week. Yay. So now we got some gravel. It's not quite such a disaster and muddy mess while he's out here, or while anyone's out here. So we'll see how bad the storms are. Will dictate how much we get done. I've got a lot. Let me talk about this. I've got a lot to do in the basement as far as putting down the vapor barrier and all that stuff. So, and in the pool pump room, got one more pump to hook up to do all the plumbing for, and then I need to do all the electrical in there. So, got some things that are inside. So that's probably what's coming up next. We'll see if Chris is still able to come in tomorrow and Thursday and clear trees like he wanted to. Well, you'll know in this video, because if he comes tomorrow, this is Thursday's video, so it'll be in here. In fact, that'll probably be what you see next. If not, then you know how it went. There you go. So that's our opening for the spiral staircase. It's gonna be their compact one. As you can see, it's like a 4-foot opening. We'll be able to fit that in there. We talked about doing a larger one. It was just gonna take up so much space, and for what? I mean, there's gonna be a second way up there. You'll be able to go up the other staircase anyway. And this will allow me to put in an actual water closet there instead of the toilet sitting out in some of that space kind of sitting right there. So it's gonna make that nice. All right, so that's it for this video. A little bit of a short one, but Chris is coming out to start the clearing in about 10 minutes. And I'd rather just put all that in another video. I've also have some video from when I've been hooking up the pool pumps and everything. So I'll probably release that, and I don't know if I can finish it and do it in just one video. It'll be a couple videos. And I got power on the house today. So we've got some outlets that are approved to be hot in the house. And that way we'll be able to not have the extension cords running all the way out there like I talked about before. So things are starting to come together, but as you can kind of see by the gray background we've got, and not my fake clouds some people sometimes say I've got. Anyway, storms are coming, so we're not looking at a whole lot of good weather, unfortunately. So probably gonna be back to working on some stuff in the basement. So work will continue, but it's one of those things. Anyone going to Deco Creek's Expo in Ohio, let me know. I'm gonna be there. Muddy Feet's gonna be there. Mud Demon's gonna be there. I'm sure a few other people. So if anybody's coming up, I'd like to meet anybody that watches the channel. So appreciate everybody. See you next time.